In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do file versioning and annotations. By the end of this 5-minute guide, you'll be adept at managing your files and making the most of your organization's collaborative tools using monday.com. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to monday.com. Once there, look for the login button, conveniently placed for easy access. Click on it and you'll be prompted to log in using your Google account. Choose your account and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now that we've successfully logged in, let's head to your board. This is where you'll organize your projects and files. We're going to make some enhancements by adding a column specifically for files, enabling seamless file versioning and annotations. In your current board, click on the option to add a column. It's straightforward, and once clicked, you'll be presented with several column types to choose from for your table. Type in File in the search bar to easily locate the file column type. Selecting this will integrate a file column into your table, providing a dedicated space for your team's documents and images. Now, select the files icon by clicking on it. This will allow you to access file management tools within your board. With the designated file column created, click on the empty cell where you can add files or images. For this example, let's focus on a commonly used file type, such as an image. Find a picture on your computer and upload it into the selected cell. It's really that simple, and you've just added a file to your database within monday.com. Next, click on the uploaded image inside the cell. A new pane will open, providing a detailed view of your file. Scroll down a bit to the bottom of this pane, and you'll notice the Comment button. Click on it, and this is where the magic of annotation begins. This tool is incredibly useful for providing feedback or comments, tagging team members, or jotting down notes directly on the files. As you annotate, keep in mind that this space will support collaboration, making it easy for others to see your thoughts and suggestions. Once you've added your annotations and comments, it's crucial to keep everything updated. Look for the button labeled Update and give it a click. This step ensures that all your changes are saved and the team gets notified about your edits. This is how you ensure that everyone involved is on the same page, fostering a productive team environment. In just a few minutes, you've now learned how to leverage monday.com's file versioning and annotation features efficiently. Remember, through consistent practice, navigating this platform will become second nature. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.